Yo, 𝐿𝐞𝐫𝐤𝐫 over here, and this right here is Mercedes-Benz GLB200 AMG line premium, one owner only, lowest mileage on the market, and the condition is absolutely superb. Let's check it out. Just have a look at this beauty with the original AMG body kit. This electric yellow color look absolutely amazing. Yes guys, this is a wrap. Original color is black for this vehicle. Comes with a very nice set of AMG sport rims with AMG big brake kit. You can see the brake kit really very big. This car looks absolutely fantastic in this color, also with blacked out mirrors to match, and blacked out roof as well. Let's see it from the side profile as well as behind. Really very nice and very beautiful. This is a 7-seater guys. You've seen a lot of GLBs, so I will not show you the rear seats as in the third row, but the second row, look at it. Black leather with Alcantara, red stitching, fantastic condition, as good as new. Of course, we have rear passenger aircon, and this is AMG line, so the roof lining is blacked out as well. Let's go in. All right, we're inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Really good looking cabin guys, looks modern and premium at the same time. First things first, we have AMG steering wheel, carbon fiber, flat bottom with pedal shifters. Really very beautiful, really super nice to hold. We have full digital panel with integrated infotainment screen. Of course, it comes with reverse camera, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and all that jazz. Have a look at the ambient light. Really very beautiful. Honestly, I've seen a lot of GLBs with factory fitted ambient light. I've never seen this. This is so cool. Just reminds me of the, you know, the super expensive car, Mercedes-Benz AMG one. Yes, this pattern, very lovely. Another cool thing about this car, we've got head-up display unit. I'm not sure if you can see it. You probably can. Over there, that shows you your speed. Really cool, very nice. Of course, Burmeister sound system. And this AMG line, so we have carbon fiber here. Very nice. Okay guys, the seats are superb condition, Alcantara with leather. Really comfy. Hold you really nicely as well. Okay, have another look. Honestly, this is the best GLB I've put my hands on till today. Whew. All right guys, on COE we still got 7 years and 9 months left. A lot of time for you to enjoy. Depreciation around $24,000 in today's ever-rising COE environment. Better get hold of this. You all know what to do. Call me and I'll give you a good deal.